Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the text color on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the text color on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. So first of all, I'm just going to open a blank document here. So here I'm just going to type a text. So just going to type here. So I just type as text. So I just need to change this color. So first of all, you just need to okay and click on this icon option, and you will see an option called on the text color. Just click on this icon and you will see an option on the home section, and you can see also here you can see the color option. So there's a lot of colors. Just click on the cell and you can just change it easily. And here on the bottom section you can see the standard color like black and blue. So if I just type whatever here, I just going to type here. So you can just want to click on the cell first, and then click on this icon, and you will see this text color. And here you can just apply the color, standard color or dark color, which color you just needed, you can just apply by this. And this is how you just change the color on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.